Alright, today we'll show you how to change the globe in the Pestrol Assassin mosquito trap. First thing you need to do is you need to pull the blue underneath down, remove that at this stage. Tilt the unit over. There are 3 locations you will need to use with the Phillips to remove the top. Once you have taken those 3 out, you can then remove the top component. At this point, you will see there is 4 lugs or clips that secure the holding bracket for the globe on the underneath. The best way to undo this is using something you can just push forward and they should clip through. There's one. There's another. This unplugs directly from the slot. There's only one way it can go in and out. Pull this down. Go. This will come out. Remove the broken globe. Place the other globe inside. Feed that back up like so. This protective component will go either side of the wires that will be going up. Pull this tight to make sure that it's out of the way. Then you'll just simply clip this back in. I love the word simply. Just clips forward, lock back into place. This then clips in back on top, and then just reverse. You'll notice that each side's slightly different. If you put it on that way, it's not going to fit, so you need to find that it'll fit correctly. Screw the 3 back in. Place the unit back on top, and then this just clips back into place. That's how you replace the Assassin globe.